Hi everybody, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts. I'm going to show you how to make this cute home decor using mostly Dollar Tree supplies. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do for this craft is I'm going to take this string off right here. Let's see if I can get that sticker off. Oh, that one came off real easy. Alright, I am going to paint this elephant gray chalk paint, Waverly. I got this from Walmart. So I am going to go ahead and get my heart all painted as soon as I find a paintbrush. Alright. So I'm just going to paint this whole thing gray, and then I'm going to make sure that I get on the edges too. Alright, my heart is all painted. I have 2 coats on there, and now I'm going to use this white Waverly chalk paint, and I'm just going to dry brush, and I'm kind of running out of brushes here tonight. This is my second project, so I'm just going to kind of dry brush a little bit of white on there. Let me make sure I get enough off of here, and I'm just going to go back and forth across this way. Just like that, across my whole heart. All right, and then the next thing that I'm gonna do is I have this cardstock that I got because I also make cards, and I'm gonna actually put this on the heart right here, but I want it kind of popped up a little bit, and I actually got these quite a while back and I haven't used them yet, and they're just like little adhesive pop-up dots, so this is going to stand out on here a little bit. But the first thing I want to do is I actually want to, because I didn't cut this very good, I want to put jute all the way around this. Alright, so I am going to get my jute, try the best I can on this card here without making a mess. And please excuse my fingers, I know they are like completely covered in paint right now. And this is my second project of the night. Alright, I am just going to keep going around this card till I have it all the way around. Okay, I have my jute all the way around my little sign, follow your heart. And then I'm going to take, like I said, these pop-up dot adhesives that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to stick these on the back of the card. And I'm going to put them on all 4 corners, and then I think I'm going to put 2 or 3 in the middle. So yeah, I think I'm going to stick 3 in here. Oh, well, I grabbed 4, so I guess I'm going to stick an extra one in there. So basically you just stick them on there, and then you have to take this part off too, because there's another sticky side to it. If you ever did use these in card making, you would know. Which is really actually surprising to find these. So I'm actually going to put this rope around here, so I just need to make sure that I'm going to have enough room to put the rope on. So I'm going to stick it right about there. Alright, then I think the next thing that I am going to do is I'm going to put this rope on here, and I think I'm going to start from the bottom, and I'm just going to hot glue it on here, and I'm going to go all the way around the heart. I have it all cut out, hopefully I didn't miscalculate, and this is actually going to fit all the way around here. But I'm going to glue this rope that I got from Dollar Tree also all the way around the heart. Okay, I have my rope all on there, and then the next thing I'm going to do, after much deliberation and not having a lot of flower options, which I thought I had more, apparently I don't, I picked these out that I'm gonna hot glue onto my heart. And I'm going to stick this underneath here. Like this. I've actually used these on my pizza pans. And they look really cute on there. All right. And then I'm actually going to put some over here also. I'm going to stick that one underneath. Yeah, I haven't bought any flowers from Dollar Tree recently, and I didn't really have a big option to choose from when I was doing my project. I guess I'm going to have to make another trip there. All right, I'm going to stick that one in there. Okay, then the next thing that I am going to do is I am going to put a little hanger on the top, and I'm going to use these beads. And I have 5 of them. I'm actually going to paint, I think 3 of them gray and leave the other 2 neutral, and then I'm going to hang it through here. Okay, so I realized that I should have strung this behind the rope before I put it in there, so I had to kind of peel the rope up a little bit and stick the jute in here. So I have it strung up, and I'm gonna snip this off right here. And then I have my beads. So in order to get the beads onto the jute, I am going to stick a piece of tape on here, and you have to make sure that you get the tape really tight around and kind of coming up to a point at the top, so that you can string your beads through there without it fraying. So I'm going to start with my gray here and get that through there. I'm going to do my neutral and my gray. All right, and then I'm going to get the rest of these on here. Okay, so I have my beads on here. Now my plan is just leave a little bit of loop at the top to hang it on. So I am actually going to try, I don't know how this is going to work, but I'm going to try to string this rope back through the beads. We'll see if I can get it through there. If not, I might have to go with a different option. Oh, all right. So far, so good. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get the rest of these through here. I might have to use a different or another piece of tape. Okay, so I was able to get it through there using the tape and kind of twisting it to get it through the hole. So I actually did get it in there, but now I think I'm gonna need to put a little hot glue in here to make sure that it stays and it doesn't poke back through. So I'm just gonna stick a little hot glue on there and glue this together. There, that should stay pretty good. I shouldn't have to glue all the other beads together, just that top one. Alright, then I am going to flip this over. I already have it tied. I'm actually gonna cut that tape end off. And then I'm gonna tie this. Oh, it's still moving. All right, well, let's get this tied here. And then I'm gonna hot glue this down. And the ends too. And then I might just have to glue all the beads to keep it on there. All right. And then Oh, yep. I think I'm just going to have to stick a little bit of hot glue in between the beads. What I needed to do is stick to the jute so that it doesn't come up. Maybe I'll just stick a little bit of hot glue in the back here. Kind of push that in. I just don't want the beads to slide up through the rope. Okay, and then the last thing that I am going to do is, I feel like I have a bare space here, but I couldn't really figure. I had this little jute bow that I made, but I don't know that it looks good down here. So I think I'm just gonna stick it up here. I'm just gonna have a little bit of bare space on the bottom. I'm just gonna stick that right at the bottom of my sign here. Just like that. All right, and then it's all finished. My little Dollar Tree home decor piece. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe and take care. Thanks. Bye.